This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we're talking about starting a car rental and leasing business in the UAE. A car rental and leasing license lets you operate in the UAE's vehicle hire and transport sector. You can offer short-term rentals, long-term leases, and corporate fleet management services. Here's what you can offer: short-term rentals for tourists, residents, and visitors, long-term leasing for individuals or companies, corporate fleet services for hotels, businesses, and government clients, luxury and chauffeur services for high-end customers, airport transfers and events, commercial vehicle leasing for logistics and delivery, subscription-based vehicle plans for flexible users, online car rental platforms where customers can book and manage vehicles digitally. Now, let's talk about where you can set up. On the mainland, you can rent or lease vehicles directly to customers, operate physical branches, and display your fleet. Dubai's car rental market is one of the biggest in the GCC, making it ideal for businesses targeting local customers, tourists, and corporate clients. In a free zone, setup costs are lower and you'll get 100% foreign ownership. Free zones are perfect for online platforms, car brokerage services, or companies that lease vehicles through partnerships with licensed mainland operators. However, free zone entities cannot rent vehicles directly to mainland customers without a local partner. Now, let's talk approvals. In Dubai, you'll need permission from the Roads and Transport Authority to carry out rental activities, classify vehicles, and register drivers. You'll also need approvals from the Department of Economy and Tourism for your business activity and from the Traffic Department for vehicle registration and number plates. Municipality approval will be required for your branch location and signage, and all your fleet vehicles must be fully insured. If you're launching an online booking platform or mobile app, you may also need clearance from the Telecommunications and Digital Government Regulatory Authority. And if your business involves tourist transportation, you might need to coordinate with the Tourism Authority as well. Here's a game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activity, apply for your trade license, get government approvals, lease or purchase your fleet vehicles, process your investor or partner visas, open your corporate bank account, secure insurance and maintenance contracts, register your vehicles and activate tracking systems if required, register for VAT and corporate tax. And that's it! Your car rental and leasing business is ready to launch. If you're ready to start but don't want to get stuck in paperwork and approvals, we've already helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs set up their business in the UAE. Fill out the form in the description and let's launch your business together.